Well, a deep dive into electronic payments represents an opportunity to help individuals who may be already involved in electronic payments in some capacity, or working for financial services firms, or in the new kind of thing called fintech, to help them understand all the different aspects associated with accepting and processing and getting paid via electronic payment products. So it goes into the various aspects associated with merchants in particular, who may be on the web taking payments, as well as face-to-face, as we call it, in an environment where they're selling things directly to individuals. And it helps individuals understand how many different parties potentially touch a transaction from the time that someone pulls out a credit card or a debit card, or they use their wallet out of their phone to pay for something at the point of sale or on the internet. It would be for individuals who at least have some background in understanding how electronic payments work. That way it can go more deep into the different motivations, the different value propositions that are created associated with accepting payments, who the different players are. There are multiple different entities who have different roles and responsibilities in making a payment work across the different networks. So it includes individuals who might be working in a merchant, a large merchant who is trying to understand how payments work and help them. It could be individuals who are working for processors who help process so that they can see the other side of what they may not see as a result of just being in the processing end. Could be with banks who are out there selling services for accepting payments to different merchants. And it could be people within payment networks who are in the process of using their network to facilitate electronic payments.
Okay, so
during the day, it's broken into a number of modules so that you can progressively dive into the different aspects of particular players and their roles and responsibilities. So the first part is kind of an overview of what the entire value chain of electronic payments, all the way from the merchant through the processors, through the banks, through the payment networks, to a card holder, and does give a little bit of background about the issuing side as well, so that you can see the whole picture. Then the next kind of module basically focuses on the different motivations and the different opportunities associated with each of the players in that value stream. And then it also includes an opportunity to look at specific case studies associated with how payments are processed, all the way from a merchant through to the card holder or the issuing bank, and the card holder pays for it. I use card loosely here because obviously in today's world we're looking at the opportunity of not having a card at all, but using your wallet or using something already stored in your phone.